Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the PSD canvas mockup in Photoshop. So once you have the canvas mockup open, you should see a layers panel with a bunch of layers. If you don't see the layers panel, go to Window, Layers in Photoshop to open the layers panel up. And then you'll see a layer up here with a canvas and a thumbnail icon, and then you'll see the background layers. To place your art on the canvas, double-click the thumbnail in the canvas layer, and that's going to open up the Smart Object. And you just want to open up your graphics and copy and paste them in there. So to do that, go to File, Open, and then find your artwork. Then you want to go up to Select All, then Edit, Copy, and then click on the Smart Object tab and go to Edit, Paste. If you want to zoom in or out, you can press Command minus on a Mac to zoom out, or Control minus on a PC, and zooming in is Command plus or Control plus. Now the artwork might be a little big, so to scale it, you can go to Edit, Free Transform, and in newer versions of Photoshop you just want to click on the corner and then drag it in to size it down or out to make it bigger. In older versions of Photoshop you needed to hold down the Shift key while clicking and dragging to keep the artwork proportional, and in the newest versions holding down the Shift key will distort it, so you'll kind of see as you start scaling it down whether or not you should hold down the Shift key. And then if it gets distorted, you can just go to Edit, Undo, and then do the opposite of what you were just doing. Then when your art is placed, you can just go to File, Save to save the Smart Object. And you can just click the little X to close the Smart Object, and you can close your artwork too. You'll see it place the art right on the canvas for us. And then you have a choice of 6 backgrounds, so click the little box next to the layer that says Backgrounds to turn the eye icon on, and then you can just click on each eye icon to toggle the background layer on and off to select whichever background you prefer. And then when you're good with that, you can just go to File, Save As to save the mockup with your artwork. For use as a thumbnail, like on Etsy, you'll want to save a version as a JPEG. You can also save a version as a Photoshop document to keep the layered document with your graphics. I'd maybe change the name first so you have Photoshop documents for all your artwork. And that's all there is to placing art on the PSD canvas mockup. Please let me know if you have any questions by going to melissabmockups.com and messaging me. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll get updates on future videos. This mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.